I mean, it's a fantastic time for the Catapult. We're coming up to our 10th year now, and we're reflecting on the fact that we've moved away from trying to establish an industry, which is what we were doing 10 years ago, to supporting an industry that's really here and really thriving now. So we are changing our position a little bit. We've now gone over 400 people, and that's all driven by demand from the industry for the kind of collaborations that we bring into to develop new technologies, and that's what we're all about, really. We're brought in or asked to work with people where there are barriers to the growth of the industry, and people need to collaborate in order to make that happen, and we try to be central to that, to bring in new technologies. We now have 5 different sites, actually, 2 in London, the original one being the Process Development Labs. We have the Stevenage GMP Manufacturing Innovation Centre, which is now well established and is running at capacity, although we can always accommodate and help more people. And then we've introduced the Braintree facility, which was part of the Vaccines Task Force pandemic response. And it is available there for the manufacturing of vaccines should it be necessary, and is one of the largest RNA capable GMP facilities in the country. But we're also bringing that forwards in terms of its plan to develop new innovation and technologies for the cell and gene therapy industry in general, to keep that speeding the growth. But also on top of that, we've opened up a facility in Edinburgh, where we will be looking at how we can work with the fantastic stem cell and general capabilities that they have in Edinburgh, as well as the contract research organisation capabilities or node that is in Edinburgh, so that we can help create growth from the fantastic capability that is already there.